How to fix not being able to join friends on Minecraft. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix not being able to join friends on Minecraft. If you are getting the unable to connect to world Minecraft error when trying to connect to a friend's world or when trying to play Minecraft on your own, there could be several causes. From game bugs to problematic Windows firewall settings, you should explore each option individually until you find the source of the problem. To resolve each possible issue, attempt each of the steps below. Restart the game. Restart your router or internet connection. Check firewall settings. Check for game updates. Check multiplayer settings. Use a VPN. Try all the steps I've mentioned and your issue should be solved. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.